For the interest of time, we have one more topic we want to touch on. So recently, we see Wayne Marshall get his OD award
order of
from the government of Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
So recently, you know, on Wayne Marshall new podcast, Cut.
Yes, the Cut.
We see he invite twins of twins on the show.
Yes.
You know, Curly Locks and Two Locks.
Yes.
So Curly Locks and Two Locks take the time out to ask him, say, yo,
if he deserved it.
Tell me what is the qualification to get the award, because I don't know, say you have a big outro in Jamaica, and is it by song or is it by your personality
lifestyle,
or whatever lifestyle? What is the qualification? And basically, up until now, cause I watched the entire interview.
You can't answer.
Boy, I'm last. It come like when you drive go Portland and you drive Sligoville.
Long road.
My last way I said them 2 words about my ear.
My last, cause right now, him say one night time say he's not privy to certain information. Then should ask Minister Grange. And every time I was telling say, yo, Babs Grange is not with the dancehall community as what people think she is and doing
She's
a
more
lot
of the
for it.
upscale.
No, I'm not ready for that. Babs Grange like free things. Babs Grange just like when Ramesh them do them show and Valiant them out and them go around there, you know. Them invite and them go take some picture and get some free, you know. Watch out now. Make you that keep one big show at Jamaica. Make you keep jazz and blues. Babs Grange and the whole of them get to sit down there. Hey, nice show, man. Nice show. Very, very nice show. And backstage, and other people like big artists them and go. But the poor man them way is the backbone of the industry. Them like shit, as I'm telling them the other week, they kept the champs money and that. So when they ask Wayne Marshall about what him think about the people in before him, like the Bounty Killer and lots of artists that did not receive the OD, right? We never received, no, I never get invited. What him think about that? And him must say, oh, him don't know, you know, I just feel him time him get invited and he's celebrating his black basking in his glory and his joy now. So I'm like, kind of basket bars not something when really and truly I don't think you should get any yet.
At this time.
Because and twins that things ask him and say, yo, so you don't feel like say this are like when you go down a bank and you have a line in a bank and you just skip the whole line and go I tell her. I feel like say one of them things they don't say him skip the line because there's a whole heap of people before him and like
but I never him nominate himself.
You can't.
So you can't really deal with him a certain way because it's not like him say, oh, teacher, pick me. I never him.
What should I say?
Hold on there. If they give me one Premier League trophy, seeing?
Yeah.
You think me can't feel bossy and put it on me just and tell me pick name and say, yeah man. And walk with the
wait. When you get the medal over about a DJ, are you go show you try and trip.
Me no feel bossy about it. You ever see me come radio?
No, you know where go radio, but you go tell your family members them about it.
I was just going to say that.
It's a laughing story because I tell them the funny joke.
No, it's not. No,
my boss.
Scenario.
No, my boss.
It's the same.
We're going to say the same.
No, nobody about that. But you can't feel proud about that something, my boss.
No, but
if you never work for it, you can't feel proud about it.
But he has done work.
He probably think the work when building no one else see. Somebody see it. Second.
Like what?
But who is the somebody though? That's the questions that we want answered.
Pan a brighter note, pan the same award. The Umbre saved
the fireman. No, the young man that saved the girl in the fire.
Him say someone in water
or in the
fire.
drowning.
Yeah,
one of them.
yeah. That is well deserved.
Yeah, obviously. That's an act of
that's something for
bravery. It's a joke though. No one trend about that.
True.
The point I try to show them.
True.
The people who lead the charge of negativity are people on platform. Why they never pick up and say, yo,
big up yourself.
I'm bringing this and say, yo.
Yeah.
Or when female to say, yo, babes, I take you up a curvy diva or whatever you want.
Yeah.
But Wayne Marshall is of somebody.
What birds?
Well, I'm facing Wayne Marshall is of stature in a situation.
No.
Him get a trophy where he's a public person like him and a woman. Him get a trophy where him not forget.
I don't think he shouldn't get it. I just think there are other artists and other people who have been in the industry for a really long time that contribute more that should have gotten it.
No, man. That's the next thing again. If an artist with the bad mind people them call, but a normal day, if a next man did win it, where it can prove why when any random person, they would have called him. When people want to prove a point, see people them at this every day, but them say shit, but you know say Rask, Jagan could get it, Jagan. But before,
people are always gonna talk.
Before, Jagan not good, can't play it.
People are always gonna talk.
Or Bridge just start a song last and win best DJ of the year. But if the whole of them are cuss Jagan, say Jagan not good enough.
People always are gonna talk.
The point is, honestly, the man win it. He be like Messi and Khalid see him.
I know when
he was awarded it.
He was awarded Anna. Just like Messi for last ballon with him. And the man just go up there, smile and laugh, Khalid it, one notch for him CV, station with Jagan up, it done.
Yeah.
As I say, twins them ask him, I can bet in the answer it all.
That's what Dragon said.
That's the thing. So
nah, pay attention.
No. When I say bet, me not ask. Me show you. He cannot. But as I say, does he want to refuse or honor to say? But when Pitney can ask my father win something.
But that's another question. That's
father
another,
win what?
Hold on.
And the whole of Jamaica I got no because anybody with in I'm youth them age just say.
But the Pitney not care.
But that's another question that now arises. Now you've been selected to get the Order of Distinction, and I mean we can discuss this from now till the morning. But until we speak to the relevant people, we won't really get the answers that we desire. Can one deny getting the Order of Distinction, or any order as a matter of fact?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course, you can deny
Just
any
like
order.
You can deny it.
Yeah.
So do you think he should have denied it?
Yeah.
Me not gonna lie, Jagan, me, God willing, living. If the Queen was...
my man, if you take it, but you know...
No, load it up.
I don't load it up.
Close door,
No, it's not about loaded up. It's just the hypocrisy that come with it because the Honorable Bob's Granger and the whole of them, right? For sure, how fucked up him is. Look how much great artists in Jamaica.
Yeah, we agree.
Where
well deserving of it.
Like loads in terms of the tourism, in terms of the culture, the music, and everything. And then because when Marshall, you know, him have a child and a woman, and him in a big family, and you know, them click. You're very rude.
I know.
But yeah. Because you know the man married into the chin them. I remember when that one says chin he attack Lee chin, Mark chin, chin. You know, chin them and them burn my part of Jamaica. Clean up them life, you know. Them are going with the Mitchell them. And you know,
boy DJ
them family look nice and pretty on the media and thing
and they're doing good things.
An idea, but
they're giving back to the community.
If you give more all that distinction from YouTube and from family life, because if you come music right now, Mofado and Cartel and Holland, look on this now. All blood clot elephant man, how him supposed to feel? And an elephant man go fuck about a BC, a fuck about a foreign.
18 number 1.
Bumbo clot. And what them a do? Remember say in that era when Marshall had elephant man did the on fire. Elephant man hottest blood clotting
in that time.
In them period, a dance all.
That's true.
So how nobody no call Energy God just because Energy God that thief light. Bumbo clot. What too wicked?
All right,
yo, God no.
All right. Even the twins are twins them, but them do for the culture.
Them not deserve none either.
No,
why?
Bro.
You think them do more? Marshall do more than them?
I'm not saying they did more or less. I'm just saying they have done things for the culture.
Until the other brother can't start because of a bad of the world.
Yeah.
Curly locks. You see them, but does you see the comedic?
Them have some, them have.
If you listen to everything they say, it's reality. And we've been past, been done.
And that would be a fucker too.
You know, because the fucker for keep people entertained. Do you know? The man them say that one of them stereotypes. So, yo, just put on the helmet, shoot at the place, and ride past boys. Them not suffer because you have a helmet. Do you know to the government say that after that you have to change? See helmet, you have to do the shield on them. You have to have the visor up. There's some way where them can't sit with it.
No.
Bro, let me finish that now. Let me finish that. I'm paraphrasing what I remember.
Right.
Yeah.
I can't remember I say go. Or you for say have the safety mechanism of the helmet up, right? Because the
Did I
whole
say that?
my boss,
That's
my
what you
boss,
just said.
my boss.
No, but
the visor, you know what that for? So stop
Protect
the
your
fucking
eyes.
wind from in
Bro,
your
I
eyes.
didn't say up.
Because
I
You
didn't say
just
up.
said
you can't have it
Alright.
halfway up or quarter
No,
because
stop,
you don't come like you drive a car without no windscreen. Yeah, so you lock your eye, because breeze will kill you.
Wherever the element was there, but the
Fuck
point,
real
the
talk.
point is
You're not an argument, my boss.
Dragon.
Stop it.
Dragon.
Stop this. Stop.
no, but you
Stop,
see me-
bird, stop.
Aye,
Dragon. Dragon. Finish your-
Two things. After it's done, I try to calm relax, yeah. I make it thing properly. Secondly, something along the line, yeah. When point make it say the man them say some things and them shit there where it's reality based, innit? But it's because as I get them so say,
Take off your helmet and turn it back with you.
you're a waste, man. But if it, this is what I'm trying to say to you. This is what we do. Each and every Tuesday. From 9 to 11. You're gonna be an idiot. And with that,
Remember, helmet can't stop broke neck.
but that's what you said as well. But no. Alright. On a serious note here.
Yo, the man said, the man.
Hold on, stop. On a serious note here. Wherever we talk positivity, it's sound to every Arras, though. I'm glad to say live freaks.
I'm sorry.
And this episode will never head on YouTube
See?
ever.
Lovely, she say yes.
Love Isha deaf. I said, yeah.
Bird say,
You know the rest, yeah.
visor my boss.
No. This is recorded, you know, so
Bumbo
we
clap.
can literally see when it come out, they got post a part of me say,
Me can't post it.
yeah. I got tag twins and I come explain to one too.
So what?
I was right what I said.
You can't wear the visor.
I didn't say way up. No, I say if you have a
Bird
mask.
said the government say.
Oh my days. You know what?
You have to have a mask.
You know what?
What kind of mask you have?
Yeah, I'm done.
So what kind of mask you put on the helmet,
I'm
no, my boss? Me just ask you. Me just ask you.
Bro, you're not grown people, you know.
No, you have to explain yourself.
You're not grown people, fam. You're not embarrassing. Ras, me lose out for that.
Yo, can't do.
No,
I'm trying hard not to laugh.
But yeah.
you know what? No, we're not
Oh my
past that.
days.
You know what? On the list with that.
Nobody never did that.
On this one, pan big live. We don't want people, you know, this style. of it.
But my buckle every time
Yo.
somebody wants to say something, you cut them off.
After today, I'm no more longer. No, I'm not gonna say that.
No, make it
No,
talk.
I'm not gonna say that.
Make
I'm
it
not so joke. I'm no more longer.
No more
I run
longer.
joke with nobody.
I'm not joking around my boss. Remember you talking with it, you say it to your chest.
No, but
Yes.
government said anybody selling a bike supposed to go with a helmet.
But them, what I said, they must wear a visor up.
We don't know.
No, I didn't say way up. I said it.
like-
You never even finish talk.
I
You
know.
have to have an
I
helmet.
know.
Wait.
No.
Just imagine you have an helmet in and the visor up and look around at Drew. You're blind in there. Lord God. Well, I'm bread.
Lovely said, you're up done, but stop drinking the red cranberry.
I'm drinking cranberry alone, actually. So
Liar, tell.
I'm a
Come
black.
on, say in your cup.
I'm a black
You almost
Alicia.
talked to.
I'm a black
Anyways,
Alicia.
I'm sorry. The conversation with
Yeah, 3
Yes,
minutes
Brett.
of fucking laughing. That's what you
that's your fault. You're
No, it's
very
not.
hilarious, you know. Oh my days, I need a napkin. 'cause
So,
I'm
go,
crying.
bird.
That's your glass steam up.
When I chat fuck you know, and that's why Rasta wear a glass, cause you know.
We can't wear visor up. Make a blind.
Bro, I'm going to my yard. Madam, they want sub, madam. Come
Yo,
sub.
yo, I swear, dog. Yo, what put fun and joke aside? Like, in terms of the regulation and law in a Jamaica, in terms of riding
Fuck
bike,
you,
right?
bro. I'm gonna Google that shit right now, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
like a helmet is a safety feature
Mm-hmm.
for somebody riding bike because obviously, you know, falling off a bike at high speed and falling to the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, your neck is very strong, but you're falling at a sudden pace. Your neck is not strong enough to keep your head from smashing on the
bouncing.
floor.
Yeah.
So, you know, the government has said basically you can chip up your body and break your foot and
But your
whatever,
head.
but your head, because, you know, once you damage your head to a certain extent,
Yes.
it's going to be fatal.
Yep.
You get me?
Yes.
So they're just trying to implement certain things just like over here in the UK. You know, you have to ride with a helmet on and you can't put a blanket band on helmet. Just like over here, you see the man them with them scooter and them sitting there where ride through West End and thief one and commit crime.
Right.
But obviously you can't ban helmet because it's a safety feature, and it also
say
could
bandit?
use for crime.
Yep.
Because when you have an helmet and the jacket and the whole biking clothing,
Yeah.
you can't say nothing because you're not seeing no skin. You have on the big jacket, you have on gloves, you have on the shoes. I remember them jacket they're ticking you just can't smash window you like a human wrecking ball.
Yep.
But it's not about Google it, dog, because you waste your time, boss.
There's a loop, what do you call it, article that came out February 1, 2023, that says helmet, high visibility safety vest requirements for motorcyclists. They're required so dealers and owners of motorcycles are required to ensure that units are bought or sold with a helmet conforming to stipulations in the 2022 road traffic regulations. They're required to wear a protective helmet and a high visibility safety vest while driving a motorcycle.
Riding.
It says I'm reading. Riding, but it says driving a motorcycle. Sorry, I don't know me. I kind of did type in exactly what they say and I just forward up. He never said nothing about the.
What did I say?
Uncle Ivan, replay that part there for me, please.
Boss,
Replay it for me.
the government.
You know what? Make me replay it.
No, when you know what? Moving right along, because time.
We literally have 3 minutes left in the show.
Clad.
Yeah.
Let's say show done.
Okay, you know what? We can prove a point in our care still, no.
No.
But we can move on quickly to 2 topics. Vibes Cartel's case will be in the UK Privy Council in February 14th and 15th of 2024. His case will be heard before.
But he won't be here, people. Don't get excited.
So don't get excited. You know, no one show now got take. And then here's a Miss Kitty got married, Mrs. Wilkinson now, and then Miss Kitty did an ultrasound. Miss Kitty's now pregnant.
Yeah, hold on there before you go any further. People don't see one video what they are. I don't know if I splice here or what. LA Lewis in a Amari bed.
I was. Could you not allow me to reach there?
Fuck you, wait,
Why
man.
did you cut me off?
Put an helmet.
Yeah, but okay, vibes. Breeze a blood AI. Right? So, Miss Kitty gets married. Miss Kitty does an ultrasound. Turns out she's pregnant. It's 2 things. L.A. Lewis says that he's the father of Miss Kitty's child. Secondly, he went to marry in a bed.
And thirdly, catch him a jump fence.
Which fence?
I said in the group I'll show you some other people's fence in Muslim America.
Woman, you had him a forward from?
No, some
In a where? America?
Jamaica. I think
L.A. Lewis ever fly out?
I think it was.
L's in the America, your bum buck lad.
No, I assume because it looked like it was a posh place.
Uptown Jamaica.
It was basically somebody where you see it.
So, I need to ask this question and I don't expect to get a full answer, but where does L.A. Lewis make his money from? I really want to know because
I would like to
He's
know.
worth, apparently, if you Google his name,
that's a lucrative.
25 million.
That's a lucrative business and industry because L.A. Lewis have cars, he have money. And hold on now. I don't know if I'm a fish.
Why is everybody a fish
Hold
now?
on, my boss, my talk.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm a hobby man. I don't know if I'm a scammer or I'm a chopper. But he always have loads of money.
You know what I think?
So,
Just like,
he knows something we don't know.
Just like, we say, yeah, we judge people because of the situation, yeah. Ellen just play the fool. I use the fool for I do him, I do.
Like what?
Whatever him, I do.
That's why I'm not saying, I'm not see him run a business.
Because you will be surprised that if you really...
Isn't that worth his 23.5 million?
Wait, it was 25. Watch
Much?
23.5.
Who says so?
I'm just
This
looking
on the
at
internet.
Google, bro.
Whisper up and Google that.
First type,
Wikipedia.
Type in, all right. True or false?
Whisper up and Google you see it.
This is fresh as live.
Because remember, you can upload your own information.
So this is popularbio.com. This is PKB. There's a lot of information.
Now show you something, yeah?
What make him worth it?
Well, I know. What?
Him assets?
Well, I know. Whether or not, yeah,
Just read what they
you
did.
believe or not, yeah. This just shows, if him a file tax regardless, a government say, so here's a such thing I go on. And to them audit him and that, finally say, LLO is probably own 3/4 something where people think.
The people think, yeah.
No, it has
All I building them went right up.
It had just been known, say, yeah, the man is what is, yeah. Me don't know, I'm not care about that. LLO is. Their marriage situation is a video them do.
They're doing a video.
Yes, they're doing a
You know this for sure.
Yes.
Remember birds I may, So, okay.
It's a video them do and can them this like a check.
From the mayor's office.
So remember the video when him that eat the buff?
Oh my,
Where he
excuse
record
me?
himself
He recorded himself
and
eat.
posted himself
Why would, anyways.
in the bush.
Sure I never hide. Sure I never hide him hide and do it.
No, he recorded it, bro.
Well, I
You
mean,
think here?
yeah.
L.A. Lewis is that person.
Stella Rems.
L.A. Lewis become all.
That's not,
Stella Rems. Tell me one hit song with Ella Lewis. Who in a dancer, cause
L.A. Lewis don't have a song at all.
no, but Steady Rhymes, who is an artist, so obviously would have looked
Eddie,
into.
tell me no, cause
I'm not aware.
He said hone.
one, yeah,
Own.
me feel like someone will learn something tonight. Just tell me one, you don't have to tell me no.
You be surprised what people own they don't
Trillions Records.
What Trillions record?
know. A record company.
No, yes, I own a lot of hits, but we sang Trillions record.
We're gonna
Produce.
Google it.
Google it quick and fast.
Brother, you be surprised that people own that already like.
Because me can't make a record company, no, we know. Me can't just do it on the internet and go company house and just pay a little dividends and boom, you're a label out there.
But suppose they make a
Yeah,
label and
see me here with Audley Shaw.
With all it, well, we sang.
Wait. Well,
We
no,
sang.
brother, hold. Can you give me a minute, please?
Yeah.
Trying to unmute my computer.
What Trillions record?
Oh my god. Okay, let's mute this
you just say you don't meet it.
and let's play.
What's the song?
Could you? The song is called "Million Miles Away." Could you give
Who
Walana
sing the
Jagan.
song? You know, I have to play the song.
L.A. Lewis?
You know, I have to play. Come, we'll make it short done. We're over time.
But you've asked the question and we're answering the question for you.
No, hold on, no.
You say you never know a song, L.A. Lewis,
No,
Million
it's
Miles
not.
Away.
No, yeah, Miss
Trillion Records official.
Relax now.
No, he said
Relax.
he owns.
He say he owns a lot of songs, meaning like the rights for songs that other artists do.
Directed by Horace Lewis. Who is Horace Lewis?
Relax now, my boss.
L.A.
Lewis. That's why I say relax now. If me go do one song and put it on YouTube, see, I'm Mr. Rich. What the blood class song I make?
When I make steady, just call it and ask yourself what time to.
All right,
the time.
Me pissed off now.
You don't need to be pissed off. You just need to accept information.
Accept
The information is there. He owns the
Yes.
recording company.
Yes.
The company, the company produced and distributed this song.
Theme song.
Yes.
Themes. All right.
He owns it.
All right. Stop. Make we stop the dance reason. If I want to do a record label now, right? You know, say me can go up and go on company house.
Jagan,
Me remember how much it cost. If I 8 or 10 pound it cost, and you pay that, you certify your thing and I say record label, Dragon record label. See? Me get my computer, it cost me not talk, and me have mic and me have everything. And me sing one little song and put it on YouTube. And me say, yeah, me own Dragon Records. And then me say, me worth $25 million. Stop on the fucker, man.
But this is not the only item of music he owns.
Not say the only item of music, but any song that L.A. Lewis own, when L.A. Lewis sing,
Yeah.
that song don't worth $100.
Okay, cool.
don't.
That's
So
your,
all the bomb buckler you tell me.
That's your opinion. That's your
Unless
opinion.
L.A. Lewis have some big song where other artists do and we never know him own them.
This is why this is what I said. Jagan.
That's why I said to you say, I dare research them what you do.
Yeah, but I
Well-
can't do it in 2 minutes. We're over the time. So
So we are talking about L.A. Lewis Trillion Records. How
you
much blood clot
asked
views you have?
because you asked a question and we're merely answering
But
it.
we know, you can't
He
sing no L.A.
produced
Lewis song.
Family,
Anyways,
Potential Kid, Beanie Man,
yeah.
Bounty Killer. That were
Oh?
just Google and find and
Who,
see.
what produce who?
He produced
That's
Tommy
a
Lee,
steady
Potential Kid, Beanie Man, Bounty
Stop
Killer.
on a fucker. Produce what?
You can Google it.
Google. Google.
And-
What?
Anyways, we're over the time, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you ever so much.
And I be him and they broke him fist in his face.
Thank you for
But-
joining.
Boy.
No, but what about that something them, my boss? About produce them. They listen to produce
You can
nobody.
Google it when you have time, All Star. Yeah, can Google it. Thank you ever so much for joining
we can
us.
ask him next week. Sorry.
For joining us this evening. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overtons Yard in Croydon. Please do remember this weekend, Bright Colors and Bottles, Saturday the 18th of November. Also happening this month. Bus Drivers Link Up. Make sure that you get your tickets. It's happening on the 25th. JC Lodge. Steely Bashment will be in the building as well, so make sure that you get your tickets. Also happening on the 25th, Stunt 101, the 7th edition. Big up to KJ. Make sure someone gets any tickets. What about ticket?
And the 15th, December.
15th of December, Black Night anniversary,
Yeah.
celebrating Father Cowboy's birthday. So make sure that you get your tickets. A lot of things are there for everybody. Make sure to stay safe. Big up on yourself. Again, thank you for joining us.
You mentioned
Subscribe
this
to the YouTube channel. Click the link in our bio.
Yeah.
You know, like, share,
People know
subscribe,
everything go.
comment, hit the notification
Love
bell.
your brother, love your sister. Love ruling everything you do. Once I read a book, them say brain poison mean power. People, remember, them say the weather is not good. So, you know, pull down your visor. And drive safe, yeah.
So funny,
Pull out your visor, bro.